Hello guys, my name is Yuri. I'm forex trader since 3 years now, and today we're going to break down how I made $5,200 on trading gold. So right now we are on the charts and I'm going to show you how I took my trade. As you know, in the previous video I trained with supply and demand. It means I trade smart money concepts, that I'm looking for areas where the price get a strong push down or a strong rejection. For example, here I draw this box inside. It was a nice supply zone that I found out, and actually I wanted to enter this specific entry here, but it was a little bit too late. That's why I waited for another retracement back. So that exactly was happening. It did not retrace immediately back, but I noticed that here is a very interesting key level. So that basically means here this price got also rejected and pushed to the downside. That means that when the price return in this box again, I will re-enter my trade, and that's exactly what I did. The replay now, so you can see how the trade was placing out. But these are two trades that I took, and this trade got triggered, but I closed it at break even, and then I immediately re-enter another trade when the price was touching this key level, and that's what you're going to see now. So let's play it. Price, it's a little bit too slow. So price was pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. Sell order got triggered, moving around, down. I wanted to close it, but it did not hit, so I closed my trade here. This first one I closed. Then I waited until the price pushes up, then I re-enter, boom, and then it smashed my take profit. And I will also explain to you how much I risk for this trade and what are my general profit targets. I risked for this trade $2,000 and I made $5,200. It was an average about a 2.5 RR. That means I risked $2,000 to make $5,200. My take profits are from TP30 to TP100. It means that I take a profit from 25 pips to 100 pips. I always close then when I feel it's the right time to close. So I just trust my intuition, and most of the time I close my profit around about 50 to 60 pips, but sometimes I go also for a 100 pip move. It really depends on my feeling and my intuition to the markets. But sometimes I also split the trade and always take profits from TP5 to TP100. So I close at 25 pips, some profits at 50 pips, some profit at 75 pips, and some profit at 100 pips. This is the way I trade. Or I place just one trade and close at 50 to 60 pips. This is basically my strategy. So if you want to follow and copy my trades, then I have a recommendation. You should check out my Gold Sniper signal room, where you have access to premium signals like this, and basically I send them every New York session. When the markets are fresh opening, you have to execute them immediately. You have access to these premium signals for around about $50 a month. If you want to save some money, you can also go for the yearly subscription and just pay $500. You have here 18% off. And yeah, that's it guys. If you need some help, join this community. If not, I have a free Telegram. Just check out under this video, there's a link to the free Telegram where I post from time to time some free trades also make a little bit advertisement for my YouTube videos and other special offers. You can check it out. All the links to this signals you find it in my description. Check it out. Therefore, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and peace out. Happy profits.